This is the OSKARSHAMN wing chair, which is ready and assembled. So in this video, I'm going to show the unboxing and assembly of this OSKARSHAMN wing chair and the OSKARSHAMN footstool. So come on, let's see. So I'm just unboxing this chair. Box has only these 3 items. So there are only 3 parts in this box. This sitting portion, this headrest, and this bag full of these whatever accessories and I think the legs and the tools, nut bolts, and as usual a manual. So I'll show you with the help of the manual. Keep it on a mat. If you need help, call Ikea. So I kept all the parts from this given in this cover. So these are the rear 2 legs which are longer, and these are the nuts and washers for these, and these 2 are the things which will be used for fitting the headrest. This is the spanner for fitting everything, and these are the 2 front legs which are shorter, and this is for the bottom to be stuck on the bottom. To make this chair ready, it involves only 4 steps. One is fitting the rear legs, then the front legs, fixing this on the bottom of the legs, and the headrest. That's all. So I placed the chair as shown in the illustration here. The rear leg has to go like this here, so for which I have to do as shown in the picture here. So let me do that. So I'll fix the rear leg here, and the nut and washer has to be fixed from this side. So I just fix it like that, then I will tighten with the spanner. So similarly, I am putting this leg also, the second leg, the rear. This thing is helpful in shifting from top to bottom, so that it doesn't block here. I'm just checking the fittings once again. Yes. The second step is just fixing the front legs, and for this there is no nut and bolt or screws. You have to just fix this and tighten it by hand. So the third step is sticking these felt pads at the bottom of the legs. Hexagonal shape. It protects the bottom and also the floor. So all the 4 felt pads have been fixed. So now I'm going to place it here on the where it's going to be. So because of the pad below, it's easy to move around also. It's easy to slide like this. So the fourth step involves fixing these rods in the headrest. So there is threading here, so these have to go inside. At one point it fixes it. You can see that it is locked. So till that you have to turn it. So now I'll place this on the chair. So it just slides like this. So this fits snugly on the chair, and the OSKARSHAMN wing chair, as they call it, is ready. So that's all to it. It is a very simple assembly, hardly takes 10-15 minutes, because it's just fitting 4 legs and fixing the headrest, which is just sliding it on top of the chair. They have given an additional protection so that while you are opening it, this top of the stool doesn't get spoiled. It looks to be a ready footstool. I don't think there will be much of an assembly required in this, since it is a footstool with storage. So this is the top part, the manual. There are some things to be used. Looks really lovely, quite heavy. So there is a handle here with which you can lift it on both sides, as you can see here, and just 2 steps. So these are the 2 things other than this base and the top, which is inside this. So just the 4 legs for the stool and protector. So fitting footstool, it will be in a jiffy, because you have to just fix it in the bottom and paste this. It looks so beautiful. This foot is matching the legs of the chair. This is actually a rounded stool. It's got a beautiful finish. After this, the only other work is to fix this. So you've got so much storage space in which you can put your things which need not be seen or littering around, like your throw or books, or if there are kids you can put toys. This lid will fix snugly on top of this. That's it. The OSKARSHAMN footstool is ready. So it is paired along with this chair. So you saw how simple it was to assemble both the armchair and the footrest, especially the footstool. It was very simple. So this armchair, you can sit and relax and put your legs on the footstool, or you can also use it as separately as a seat. It becomes an additional seat in the house. I can move it around anywhere, so it becomes like a sitting stool also. And hope you liked watching the video. More details about the colors available, about the material used in the chair as well as a footstool, and the pricing and other details you can find in the Ikea website. I am sharing the product link in the description below, so you can go through that to know more details about this product. Hope you liked watching me unbox and assemble the product as much as I enjoy doing it. See you soon in my next video with one more assembly. Till then, it's bye bye from Bhuwana.